Hello. So in today's video, I will explain you how to list products on oneclickbuilder.com. So we are on the dashboard of oneclickbuilder.com. In left side, you can see these options. You can click on products and click on add new listings. Here you can write the product title. So for example, if I am listing trousers today, you can add all the keywords over here related to your product. So all keywords can be added over here. You can select product type, physical product. Product category you can select from here. So this is clothing and accessories, and subcategory which we have already created, we can select from subcategory. If you have SKU ID, you can put SKU over here. If you don't have, you can do auto generate. New SKU code would be generated, and you can write here the description of the product in detail. You can add images also over here, so in detail you can write about the product. So if it is cotton material, lightweight, like that, you can add all the details of the product in description. You can add images over here. At one go you can select all the images and upload. You can also add video over here. Here you can write MRP of the product. Here you can write purchase price, then selling price over here. Taxes and other charges, if you want to add, you can write over here. Here you can select option include or exclude taxes. So I have written include taxes for this price. Here you can write current stock level, maximum stock you have and minimum stock you have. This is available online only. Also I can select the brand name over here. So I have selected my brand name, which was created from here. Brand name was created from here. And unit name, I can select piece. If it is free shipping, I can select this. If it is not, you are going to charge extra, then you can add shipping charges from here. If it is location based shipping, charges are different, then you can select this option over here. You can write state name and add shipping charges over here. So I am giving location, not location based shipping, all over India. This is the shipping charges. Packaging charges, if you want to add any, you can click on this. You can add shipping charge, sorry, packing charges. So I am not going to charge anything for packing. And here I can select the variant name. So if it is single piece, you can select single piece option. If you have sizes in it, you can just add variant over here. So I'll add small size with same variant, same value. Then medium size. Then I have large size. So like that, I can create different variant. So all variants are created now. I can select the product tag over here. So category is trouser, so I can write trouser over here. Add tag. Here I can also add color to it. Black I can say. Then I can say gray. Then I can say white. Add color. Add size. Extra, sorry, small, medium, and large. So I have added all the things. I can click on create product. So the listing is done. This is how you can create listing on oneclickbuilder.com. Thank you.